Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're taking a look at two different air filters that go in your furnace or your AC. But they're the same size. The only difference is one's a Merv 13 and one's a Merv 8. The Merv is a rating that they use to judge what size particles a filter can catch. The Merv 13 is more along the lines of your healthcare business type air filters, and this is more of your common household filter. You can pick the Merv 8s up at a hardware store, the Walmart. They're not hard to find. These I got off of Amazon. They're the Air X Health Merv 13 pleated air filter made in the USA. A box of them was $38.05, which equals out to $6.34, which is cheaper than going to your big box store. Now, I ran both air filters for a month for comparison. And when I first got these, I was trying to see a difference in them. And it's like, well, maybe they just stamp different labels on them. They're exactly the same. But after looking at them a couple minutes, I can actually see the difference in them. And if you look close, you can see them. I went through and I counted the visible pleats. This one has 23, and this one has 18, which means this has 5 more pleats in it, which means there's more filter, which means it's gonna catch more particles. So now that made sense once I seen the difference. Put these to the side. Now they're both been used 30 days. Now looking at it, this one actually looks dirtier than this one. I know this ain't scientific. A lot of things could have changed. It was more humid this month. It was also hotter this month. This is in July. This is in June. It was cooler in June. So it actually ran more. So if it actually caught more, or if it's just the fact that it ran more, I'm not real sure. But there is a definite difference. I can see this is a lot darker. But for $6, my allergies are doing a lot better. The house was less dusty. Blue Dog's allergies were a lot better. I have a dehumidifier with the filter in. I had to clean that a lot less. Instead of cleaning it June was twice a month. This month was only once. So that you cut it in half. But this is a definite try. I'll have a link to these down below so you can check them out. Now when you buy these, they're not individually wrapped. They just come in a big box, 6 of them. But for for $38, I'd definitely give them a try. Overall, I'm pleased with them. It's going to be one of those rare times again to get something off of Amazon where I'm going to get them 5 out of 5. Go ahead, check them out, give them a try. If you do try them, let me know what you think. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thanks for watching.